Birthdays are special. Let's make your home festive. You can create beautiful decorations. It's easy and fun. Let's get started. We'll use simple materials. You can find them at home. Get ready for a crafty adventure. Your birthday will be extra special. Paper chains are classic. They're colorful and cheerful. You'll need colored paper, scissors, and glue. Cut the paper into strips. Make each strip about 1 inch wide and 6 inches long. Loop one strip to form a ring. Secure with glue. Thread another strip through the ring. Glue the ends together. Continue adding strips to create a chain. Hang your festive chains around the room. What's a birthday without balloons? They instantly add a party mood. Grab a pack of colorful balloons. You'll also need ribbon or string. Inflate the balloons to different sizes. Tie a knot at the end of each balloon. Cut the ribbon into varying lengths. Tie a ribbon to each balloon. Hang them from the ceiling or furniture. Balloons make everything more festive. Add a touch of sparkle to your decor. Use glitter, confetti, or metallic paper. It's all about adding shine. Sprinkle confetti on tables. Use glitter glue to decorate cards or signs. Cut shapes from metallic paper and hang them up. Your home will sparkle and shine. It's a wonderful way to celebrate your birthday. Don't forget to visit our store for more party supplies. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more creative ideas.